He's been getting away with this for far too long.
In the Scalpocalypse,
Lying to sell a product.
the RTX 3080 Ti, free money! Waste $500 on eBay.
Sponsors he doesn't believe in.
You know what's not gonna look pretty good? Our sponsor.
Nice hash T-Mobile. Raid Shadow Legends, sponsored by Intel.
A front for Russian hackers.
Slow down the acquisition of these cards en masse by crypto miners.
Scammed on eBay.
You spend your money on an RTX 3080 Ti.
Now there's only one real conclusion that can be drawn from the information provided. Fuck Linus Tech Tips.
Trust me, it's getting a lot less obvious than you might think.